Want to learn how to shop on the Wish app? We're here to show you the ropes. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to shop on Wish, including tips to save money on the cost of your orders. Now let's get started. If you'd like to get some more information about the Wish app before you start shopping, check out our Wish app review video. We'll leave a link for it in the description box below. To start shopping on Wish, first download the app on your mobile device or tablet. Then you'll need to sign up for an account. Tap Create Account. Then enter your first and last name, your email address, and a password. Tap Create Account below when you're done. Now you're ready to start shopping. The default screen will show you items that are currently popular. On this page, you may also see any current promotions and discount codes. If you see one of these codes, take note of it so you can get a discount on your order at checkout. You may also be able to find more discount codes by doing a quick search on a coupon site like retailmenot.com. In the menu near the top, you can access more categories of products. The orange truck section showcases products that will ship to you the fastest. Scroll horizontally to see more categories, including recently viewed, accessories, fashion, home decor, gadgets, and more. Scroll down to see more available items. The price of each item will be visible below each product photo. If an item is on sale, the discount percentage will appear in the top left corner of the product photo. Products with the blue check mark in the bottom right corner are verified by Wish shoppers, meaning you can be sure you're going to receive the product shown in the photos. If you see a product you're interested in, tap the photo to see more information. If there's more than one photo of the product in the listing, you'll see the number of photos in the top right corner. Swipe sideways across the photo to see more photos. Scroll down to see more information, including how long it will take to ship and the cost of shipping. If the product comes in more than one color, shape, or size, you'll be able to see those options here. Tap Description to see more information about the product. Below that, you'll see recent reviews from other Wish customers. We'd recommend you always read reviews of an item before deciding if you want to buy it. This will let you know what other buyers experienced. Items with mostly negative reviews should obviously be avoided. Items with mostly positive reviews are more likely to come as described. If you're interested in a product but don't want to purchase it yet, tap the heart icon to add it to your wish list. If you'd like to buy the product, tap Buy at the bottom to add it to your cart. If applicable, select the size, color, shape, etc. you'd like to purchase. If you like, you can continue browsing the app and adding additional items to your cart. When you're ready to place your order, tap the cart icon in the bottom menu. If you have a discount code you'd like to use, tap the text box labeled Enter Promo Code and type in the code you want to use. Then tap Apply. Scroll down to see a breakdown of the cost of your order, including any discounts. Tap Checkout at the bottom to start placing your order. The checkout process is pretty straightforward. Enter the required information for delivery and tap Add New Address. On the next page, enter your payment information. Wish currently accepts payments from PayPal, Google Wallet, Visa and MasterCard branded debit cards, as well as major credit cards including American Express, Visa, MasterCard, and Discover. Once you've entered the required information, tap Done to place your order. Once you complete your order, you'll receive an order confirmation email. When your order ships, you'll receive a shipping notification email. After that, all that's left is to wait for your order to arrive. If you don't receive what you expected, be sure to request a refund of your order within 30 days of receiving the item. Wish has a 100% satisfaction guarantee. That's all it takes to shop on Wish. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.